So all that I ask is for you to be mindful of me. And when I consider your hands that bring forth the rain and stars,